How to use set node in n8n. So first thing you need to do is to head over first into your n8n workflow. So a set node is something that officially known as edit fields node. It's a fundamental tool for manipulating data within your workflow. So its official name right now is edit fields, but it's usually named in the past as set. Click on this plus icon and searching here for edit fields. You having heard this? Can see that it's name set in the past. Click onto this modify, add, or remove item fields. After that, you can choose the mode between manual mapping as well as JSON. So choose right here the mode that you want and add or input right here fields you want added for this case. You can also include other input fields if you would want to. So once the field has been added, you can proceed to execute this step altogether. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.